What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. For a while now, I've been very hard on the LG Stylo 6. I've been having the phone for a little over a month now, and every time I make a video about the LG Stylo 6, it's me expressing my bad experience. But they do have some qualities with this device. So in this video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you might pick up the LG Stylo 6 in 2020, and 1 reason why you might pass on the LG Stylo 6 in 2020. Here's my thoughts. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I got the LG Stylo 6 here, and I'm gonna give you 5 reasons why you should pick up this device in 2020, and 1 reason why you should not pick up this device in 2020. Let's go ahead and get into it. Number 1, one of the reasons why you need to pick up this device is because of the build quality. This phone is absolutely gorgeous. When you pick up this phone, it screams quality. It has a nice heft to it, and I mean, it is a beautiful design device. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you. LG has paid a lot of attention to details with this huge display. The quality here, the metal and the glass back, it screams quality. I mean, it is a very collectible device. So, I mean, that's one of the huge reasons why you might want to pick up this device in 2020. It's because when you pull this phone out, it doesn't look cheap. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels quality. It feels like a flagship. But yes, the design is one huge factor that you might want to pick up the LG Stylo 6 in 2020. So another reason why you might want to pick up the LG Stylo 6 in 2020 is because of the battery life. This device has a 4,000 milliamp battery, and I'm getting extremely good battery life out of this phone. When I was reviewing this device, I got a day and a half of heavy use. I mean, you could get a lot of screen on time. Look, your mileage may vary, but using the device as normal, you definitely go get through the day with the LG Stylo 6. So battery life is king supreme on this phone, believe it or not. Another reason why you might want to pick up the LG Stylo 6 in 2020 is because of the pin-in-pin support, right? Now, I talk about this with the LG V60. LG does it right when it comes down to the pin software on this device. It does have integrated software that works very well. If you look back at my LG V60 videos, or even if you go back and look at my LG G4, my LG Stylo 4 videos, you will see that I go really deep into the pin software here. The only thing I don't like is the pin. The pin is not a high quality pin. I don't like the tip on here, but getting the job done, the software that's integrated in with the LG Stylo devices is really intuitive. So that's one of the reasons why you might want to pick this device up in 2020. It's because of the pin support and software on this device is king supreme. Another reason why you might want to pick up this phone in 2020 is because of the huge display. Now, this display here is a 6.8-inch 1080p IPS display, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look, the display on here, we're watching movies and everything in between. It's absolutely a dream to watch. I mean, it's very huge and it's nice and sharp, and the display on here is absolutely amazing. Now, it doesn't get so bright, but that's fine. If you are in an inside location, you can watch movies to your heart content. The display on here is absolutely amazing. So if you like huge displays, you like nice displays, this would not disappoint. So this is another reason why you might want to pick up the LG Stylo 6 in 2020. It's because of the beautiful, vivid display on this phone. So last but not least, the 5th reason why you might want to pick up the Stylo 6 in 2020 is because of the price point. $150 to $250 is the price point for this device. If you do a migration between one company to Boost Mobile, you can get this phone for $150. If you're doing an upgrade on Boost Mobile, you can get this phone like $210. If you get it on Metro PCS with an upgrade, I see it like $199. So at that price point, it makes this device a steal. I mean, for $150 for this phone and how beautiful it looked, the screen and everything in between, I love the way this phone is when it comes down to the screen and the design. So at $150, absolutely it's a steal in 2020. So let me give you a bonus reason why you should pick this phone up in 2020. It's because of the dual speakers. This phone get plenty loud. The dual speakers on here is really fun to listen to, especially when you're watching movies. You definitely go get that good sound quality out of this device. Let me go on and pump up a quick video so we can hear the dual speakers in action. So let's go on and do something here. Let's go with some non-copyright music, and let's go here, and boom. Okay, let's turn the volume up. And I mean, to tell you the truth, the dual speakers on here sound really good, crystal clear, and I got the volume all the way up. Yes. So yes, you know, all in all, the bonus reason why you might want to pick this phone up in 2020 is because of the speakers, the dual speakers that LG has brought to the table. Absolutely, with the price point and the speakers on here, yeah, you could pick this phone up in 2020. So that's my 5 reasons, and even a bonus reason why you should pick up the LG Stylo 6 in 2020. Now, let me give you one huge reason that you should pass on the LG Stylo 6 in 2020. It's the performance. Look, this phone has a MediaTek P35 processor with 3 gigs of RAM. This phone will disappoint you on day-to-day tasks. Listen, you're not playing no high-end games on here. It's very frustrating sometimes navigating through the home screen. Opening up apps sometimes take a little process. Even when I went through YouTube and trying to do all kinds of other things with this device, it is very slow. You have to have patience when using this device. Now, I have a lot of Motorola phones and at the same price point and would deliver better performance. This phone was very frustrating to review because having this phone as my main device in my pocket, trying to utilize it as a phone, it was painful to see how I bogged down going through daily tasks. One of the things is even the fingerprint scanner. I mean, it's absolutely ridiculous that this phone is that slow. One of the hugest reasons that I would tell anybody to pass on this phone is because of the performance. The processor in here, to me, I think LG made a horrible mistake when it comes down to the processor power in this device. I mean, look, sometimes navigate through the OS and if you open up an app, I mean, it's less to be desired for. See, I mean, even when you click on the app, it just takes so long. Even if you try to close the app out, like I try to close it out, look at that. I mean, it's unresponsive sometimes when you're trying to close out apps or navigate through the OS and stuff like that. And look, I didn't even talk about the cameras on this phone because the cameras, again, another deal breaker. Look, pick your poison. Bad performance, horrible video cameras on here. The front-facing camera on here is less to be desired for. Ultimate deal breaker for this phone. So yes, I can give you 6 reasons to buy the LG Stylo 6, but the hugest reason to not buy this phone is because of the performance. This is Eric, the tech preacher from AskEazyComputerSolutions. Leave your comments down below. Tell me what you think about the LG Stylo 6. Should you pick this phone up? I mean, is it a deal breaker for you? I mean, wow, it's phone, it's good, but it's also bad. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.